Clinical case, BPL. Case number 1. Please read the following case history and discuss this case. 5-year-old cow weighing 500 kilograms was presented to the large animal unit of University Teaching Hospital Al Muthanna University with a complaint of prolonged recumbency, weakness, and inappetency. The cow was seen in the sternal recumbent position. The cow was on left lateral recumbency with the neck curved towards the right flank, S-shaped. There was 5% dehydration. The cow was delivered 3 days ago and the calf was in a good condition. The cow is high producing and the owner heavily feed it before parturition. Vaccination and deworming status was unknown. This is figure showing the cow. Answer these questions. List the most common diseases that are responsible about this condition. Number 2, list the cause and the risk factor responsible about the development of this case. A blood sample was collected from this cow and sent for analysis. What is the test that should be done for diagnosis of this case? Number 2, what is the results of the test that enable you to make your diagnosis? Enumerate the clinical signs and explain it in details. What is your accurate diagnosis? How do you treat this case? Discuss all the possibility. How do you plan to make your preventive program? Write your report and submit within 2 days. Thank you.